It's a beautiful day for the autumn equinox. High of something like 20 Celsius, 70 Fahrenheit. As usual, a few degrees cooler in the shade and a few degrees warmer in sunny spots. I'm just going to lay a little altar for the equinox, and this time I also do a little remembrance for my mother and my aunt who have passed. My mother was right about this time of year several years ago now. I already have some potted plants and things on the altar for that, and I'm just going to gather some of the foliage that's starting to turn. We've had a long warm stretch, and it's just starting to get a little bit cooler again. We've still got some warm days this week, but nights are getting close to frost, so the colors are going to come along pretty fast now.